Hello guys and welcome back to my channel again. So in this video I will tell you that how to open a PayPal account without credit card, or if you have a PayPal account then how to pay with PayPal without credit card. So let's suppose that you have a PayPal account, and if you wanted to pay someone without linking your card, then how you can do this. So here you can say that I have in my PayPal business account, but this also applies if you have a PayPal personal account. Okay, so first of all you need to sign into your PayPal account here, and after signing into your account you will see this option here which is link a bank or card. So this is the business account, and if you are in a personal account you should see the wallet option at the top right here, and you have to click on that option. So in my case I have a business account, so I will click on this option which is link a bank or card. So you will click on this drop down arrow here, and here you will see two options which is link a card or link a bank account. So if you don't wanted to pay someone through without linking your card, so the easiest way is to link your bank account. So we will click on this bank account here, and then it will get us to the next page. Now here it says that complete your profile to start using PayPal. So as I am recording this video here, PayPal is not available in my country right now, because if I click on this next option then it will ask from me which best describes you. So I am an individual seller here, and then it asks me to actually add some details here, and the problem begins here because I don't have my country code in this specific list. But if PayPal is actually working in your country here, then you just have to click on this link a bank account, and then it will ask you for your bank details, and then you can add your bank details, and then you can actually pay directly through your bank from PayPal to someone that you wanted to pay. You don't need to actually link a card. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.